Part 2. It is Thursday, late afternoon, June 4th, 2021. Second drawing is now done. The memorial, my second mosaic drawing combo, which will be a memorial to murdered African-American federal police officer Stephen T.Johns. So I just completed this drawing here. It's not sealed in under plexiglass yet, but will be soon. A drawing of a Romani or Sinti child who had been photographed at the Auschwitz death camp. I saw the photograph in this book by Martin Gilbert, Never Again, the History of the Holocaust. All right, so I'm going to probably do, I think, depending on what size frames I get, 1, 2, or 3 other small drawings in the upper section here. All right, to be continued.